Hi, kids. How are you? Grandma here, Grandma Patty Ann. Hey, Layla. Hey, Levi. And Kyle and Connor and Carter and Tyrone and Ava, Keisha, Bobby. I have a whole list of you guys today. Sarah and Emma, Olivia, Mia. Hi, everybody. Amelia, Caleb, Cody, and Finn. Welcome, everybody. Hey, I've got a fun story for you today and an activity that your mom or dad could print out for you. They're masks that you can cut out and wear for fun to act out the story. But anyway, let's get started with the story. So here we go. The Rainbow Fish by Marcus Pfister. Far out in the sea lived a fish. No ordinary fish, however. He was the most beautiful fish in the entire ocean. His scales shimmered with all the colors of the rainbow. The other fish admired his colorful scales and called him Rainbow Fish. Come on, play with us, Rainbow Fish. But Rainbow Fish was proud and swam past them. A little blue fish swam along behind him. Rainbow Fish, wait for me. Please give me one of your glittering scales. They're so beautiful, and you've got so many. Give you one of my scales? What are you thinking of? Cried Rainbow Fish. Get away from me. Shocked, the little blue fish swam away. And there's a little yellow fish swimming away too. Still upset, he told his friends about it. From then on, nobody wanted any more to do with Rainbow Fish. They turned away when he swam past them. What use were Rainbow Fish's beautiful scales if they were no longer admired by anyone? Now he was the loneliest fish in the entire ocean. One day he poured out his sorrow to the starfish. I'm so beautiful. Why doesn't anyone like me? In a cave behind the coral reef lives the wise octopus. Perhaps he can help you, the starfish advised him. Oh, it is dark. Rainbow Fish found the cave. It was very dark here. He could hardly see anything. Then he suddenly saw two glowing eyes. I've been expecting you, said the octopus in a deep voice. The waves have told me your story. Listen to my advice. Give every fish one of your glittering scales. Then you may not be the most beautiful fish in the ocean, but you will be happy again. But, Rainbow Fish began to say, but Octopus had already disappeared in a dark cloud of ink. Give away my scales? My beautiful glittering scales? Thought Rainbow Fish, horrified. No, never. How could I be happy without them? Suddenly he felt the light touch of a fin. The little blue fish was back. Rainbow Fish, please don't be angry. Please give me one of your glittering scales, a small one." Rainbow Fish hesitated. A very, very small scale, he thought. Why not? I will hardly miss it. Rainbow Fish carefully pulled off the very smallest of his glittering scales. "Here, I'll give you this one, but now leave me in peace." Thank you very much," burbled the little blue fish excitedly. "You are kind, Rainbow Fish." Rainbow Fish felt quite strange. He watched the little blue fish for a long time as he swam away happily through the water with his glittering scale turning this way and that. The little blue fish darted through the water with his glittering scale. Soon, Rainbow Fish was surrounded by other fish. All of them wanted to have a glittering scale. Rainbow Fish shared out his scales and felt happier and happier as he did so. Finally, Rainbow Fish had only one glittering scale left. He had given away all the others, and he was happier than he had ever been. "Come on, Rainbow Fish. Come and play with us," called the others. "I'm coming," said Rainbow Fish, and he went happily with the other fish. The end. Okay, parents, I wanted to show you, this is what I'm going to show you how to make. You'll be able to either make these and just cut them out yourself with scissors, or I'm going to show you how to make them with your Cricut machine or Cameo machine. These are masks that the kids can wear and they can act out the story. Also, these are stickers that I'll show you how to add an offset to if they'd like to have stickers. And then these are going to be stick puppets, popsicle stick puppets, or you can even go out in your yard and find some sticks and just glue those to the back. So those are the activities I will show you how to do to go along with this, whether you're a parent, a grandparent, a teacher, homeschooler, a child that likes to make things to play school. I think you're going to love these. So I hope you'll check out my other video, and I'll have it linked for you down below. Thanks again. Bye, you guys.